Seguimos con baile.
Antía e Irune de Sexto realizarán unha coreografía coa canción Sorry de Justin Bieber.
Un aplauso para estas.
Tell me, baby, you come on 100 times. So let me hold that redeem myself tonight. Is that just me? One more shot, second chances. Is it too late now to say sorry? 'Cause I'm missing my